Robert, do you freely and with an open heart take Madison to live together in the union of marriage? Do you take her as your best friend and partner in life? Do you promise to promote her strengths and accept her weaknesses and be patient with her mistakes? Will you talk with her, even when silence is easier? Do you promise to be faithful in good days and bad, in health and sickness? Do you vow to love, respect, and honor her, and spend the rest of your life with her?
I do.
Madison, do you freely and with an open heart take Robert to live together in the union of marriage? Do you take him as your best friend and partner in life? Do you promise to promote his strengths and accept his weaknesses and be patient with his mistakes? Will you talk with him even when silence is easier? Do you promise to be faithful in good days and bad, in health and sickness? Do you vow to love, respect, and honor him and spend the rest of your life with him?
I do. I, Madison, give you Robert,
This ring is a symbol of my love.
this ring as a symbol of my love.
As I place it on your finger,
As I place it on your finger,
I commit the whole of my heart and soul to you.
I commit the whole of my heart and soul to you.
I promise to cherish you
I promise to cherish you
for the rest of my days.
for the rest of my days.
I give you all that I am
I give you all that I am
and accept all that you are.
and accept all that you are.
Madison, Robert, you may now kiss.
There we go.
Watching you love my sister has been one of the greatest gifts of my life because she deserves a love that lets her be exactly who she is, and you give her that every single day.
To Robert and Maddie, may your love stay as strong as your stubbornness, and may your life together always be filled with laughter, loyalty, and endless adventure.